Omoshaba, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi in the Wonderland. Everyone, today I got a big mushroom we call termite mushroom, so I got only one. Instead of making a soup, today I'm gonna make the chili paste from termite mushroom. So today I'm gonna cook with the traditional way. So I'm gonna light the fire first. After this, I'm gonna wash the mushrooms. To wash the mushroom, we have to wash it carefully, and we have to wash like every corner of them because they have a lot of soil and sand. For me, I use like the scrubbing pad to help me scrub every corner to make it more cleaner. And now I'm gonna roast some chilies and some garlics to make the paste for the chili. To roast it, everyone, we have to roast like a few minutes, maybe like 5, until it's changed the color to black color like this. And now it's time to grill the mushroom. To grill it, we have to grill until it's cooked, or like 10 minutes per each side. And here are the ingredients for making the chili paste. So we have dried fermented soybean paste, chopped lemongrass, Litsea cubiba seed, roasted chili garlic, lemon basil, and the last one is grilled mushroom. And now it's time to make the chili paste. First, I add in Litsea cubiba seed. Next, roasted chili and garlic. And add in a little bit of salt. Next is chopped lemongrass. Now we add lemon basil in and dried fermented soybean paste. And now it's time for the main ingredient, grilled termite mushroom. Everything in this mortar we have to pounding to make it more smoother. Now it's time to seasoning. So I add in 1 tablespoon of fermented fish sauce and a little bit of MSG. And now I'm gonna add in like 3 tablespoons of warm water because the paste is quite thicky. And now everything is ready, so I'm gonna eat this one for you. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. Bye bye!